Hello learners, this is Form 2 Mathematics. The topic is cubes and cube roots, and we are going to discuss the cubes from mathematical tables. I'm Teacher Sharon, welcome. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to read the cube of a given number directly from the mathematical table. I'll take you through these two examples. In example 1, we are told to find the cube of 3.482. So we are looking for the value of 3.482 cubed, and we are going to read these from the maths table. I have a copy here. So on your maths table, you go to the first column where the column is labeled X. Then you check for the row where we have 3.4, that is the first two digits. So we are moving down on the column labeled X, and this is where we have 3.4. Therefore, it marks our row. So we are going to use this row. The next digit is 8. So we go to the column labeled 8. And this is the column labeled 8. Then we draw a line downwards to meet our row. And that line meets our row at 42.144. So we pick 42.144. Then we go to the next digit, which is 2. And on the difference column, we check for the number 2. Then we draw a line on that column labeled 2 to meet our row. And it meets our row at a number which is 71. So on this number, we are supposed to add 71, which will give us 5, 1 carry 1, 2, then we have 2 and 4. So this means that 3.482 cubed is equal to 42.215. In our second example, we are told to find the value of 2.594 cubed. So we have number 1 and number 2, where we are told to find the cube of 2.594. So 2.594 cubed. We start with the first two digits. So we go to the column labeled X. We move downwards to get the row with 2.5, because 2.5 is our first two digit. So we have 2.5, that marks our row. We can draw a line. On that row. Then we go to the next digit, and our next digit is 9. So on the column labeled 9, we drop a line to meet our row at this point, and we have 17.374. So we write 17.374. Then we go to the difference column, to a column labeled 4 because it is our next digit. So on difference column we have 4. Then we draw a line downwards to meet our row, and this gives us a number which is 78. So we add 78 on 17.374. we add 78, and this gives us 2 carry 1. We have 15, so 5 carry 1. 3 plus 1 gives us 4. Then a decimal point, we have 7 1, and this implies that 2.594 cubed is equal to 17.452. That is the end of this lesson. Thank you for your attention.